Hello everyone. Today I am Kanishka from School St. Joseph Convent Secondary School, Pathankot, and my father's name is Mr. Ashok Kumar and my mother's name is Sunita Kundan. So I just want to speak on the topic importance of God and parents in our students' life. Before starting, I want to ask to all of you that do you love your parents? I know everyone will say that yes, we love our parents. These all words we say 100 times and more than time in our life. These all words we have to use in our life, and this is not more sufficient to say only. Now I welcome all the respected parents in this occasion. Parents are our prestigious gems in our lives without whom we cannot imagine our future. The unconditional love, support and sacrifice they done are beyond words. Just a mother call without asking, have you eaten? And a father gives precious advices and guidance for our life and future. Can never go wrong. Being a parent, it is very tricky and difficult to be a friend of a child more than a parent. Every parent let go of their dreams and sacrifices a ton just to show that their children can achieve their goals. I cannot say enough thanks in my entire life for the contributions all parents are making and made in it. I am damn sure everybody has taken the speech, everybody has taken something from the speech or anything from the lectures that are given now. And one day, just to listen this story, one day my father said, life will be tough, but make sure you should give the best in this life. Obstacles will come and go, and you just have to face it and be strong. These words of mine may not be enough to show my gratefulness to all parents and God on this beautiful event. I would like to say something. बस आज सबको कहनी एक छोटी सी बात है, बस आज सबको कहनी एक छोटी सी बात है, माँ बाप के बिना हमारी क्या ही औकात है। मेरे लिए मेरा जहां हो तुम, सबसे बड़ी पहचान हो तुम। अगर माँ ज़मीं है तो पापा मेरे लिए पूरा आसमान हो तुम। Now let's pray a little prayer for all of us sitting here. हे सतगुर, मुझ पर बस इतनी कृपा बनाए रखना, जो रास्ता सही हो उसी पर चलाए रखना, ना हो इस संसार में मुझसे कोई दुखी, बस इतनी